Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to recover a deleted Telegram group. First of all, you can open the Telegram application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the chat section at the bottom middle of the screen. Tap on it. After tapping on it, I can tell you the Telegram doesn't provide any feature to recover a deleted Telegram group. If you can delete your Telegram group and you can add a new admin in your group, you can just simply personal message to the admin of the group and you can tell the admin that you want to enter in a group again. After this, the group admin is added on your Telegram group and there is no other method to recover a Telegram group. If the Telegram group is removed, you can just simply create a new group and added a same friends in the other group, and this is the way you can recover a Telegram group. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.